Jackie YL Bautista. Dismounted Mystic Dragon. Horses out, we have Mara's Magic, gets away quickly, moving up on the outside now is Shutter. Body Shot is by his strategic partner in port, Mystic Dragon. Alongside comes Crystalline and Embraceable. Shutter by about 2 lengths. Marta's Magic in second, moving up by now is Body Shot. His strategic partner is in port, Crystalline, Mystic Dragon and Embraceable. Into the turn they go, Shutter by Auralenka. Right behind in second now is Body Shot. His strategic partner in third, Marta's Magic. Moving up the road inside, Mystic Dragon, Embraceable and Crystalline. 2 and 3 is fighting out for the lead. Moving up on the outside, Body Shot. Shutter, Mystic Dragon. Now moving up by the third. To take second now, we've got Body Shot, Mystic Dragon, Marta's Magic, Shutter, Embraceable now coming closer in fourth, Crystalline. Body Shot, Mystic Dragon is by drill. Moving up on the outside now is Embraceable. As they come down to the last 200, Mystic Dragon, Embraceable is on the outside as they come down to the last 200. Mystic Dragon by Auralenka and Hapa. Embraceable now on the outside, Crystalline. Last 100 meters. We have Mystic Dragon. Embraceable is on the outside and Crystalline. But it's still Mystic Dragon. Second is Embraceable. Crystalline